Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and we are back with another video. What's up? How y'all doing? Happy Friday. Alright guys, so this video is all about my DIY white fringe jeans. Post a little pic right there. Okay. Alright, so I wanted to do these jeans to go to DC for the weekend, and I just wanted to do something a little fun and festive, and fringe is really in right now, so I decided to show you guys how I just threw some fringe super easy on my jeans. So if you want to see how I achieve these jeans, go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and comment down below. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom because a flower is simply so blossoming in nature. See you guys in my next video. Hey you guys, what's up? So we're going to use a glue stick, some white fringe, and of course some scissors. So I've already done one side of the pants, and now I've started the other side. So I'm going to take a seat and we're going to get started. Okay. So I am doing the fringes backwards. So I'm doing it to the back. I had makeup on my hand. I got it on my pants, which pissed me off, but I had to tie, go, pin it, whatever. But all I'm doing is I'm just going to lay the fringe flat on the out seam of the pants, and that way it looks like it's sewn into it and it'll drape down. I hope that makes sense to you. So what you see me doing now is burning myself, but I'm trying to get that fringe laid flat on that glue. So I do a little bit at a time, and then I add more glue and then continue to do it that way. This is a really simple, cute DIY. Fringes are in right now. Everybody's wearing fringe and the cowboy thing is going on. So I thought it'd be really cute just to do a pair of white pants like this, since I had this white fringe from my birthday and my birthday outfit didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to. So I'm just continuing down that leg. Each leg took me about 10 minutes to do, which is not long, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just measuring that out. I went ahead and I, added another piece because I ran out. I had so much fringe that was cut up. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just measuring the two legs because I want to make sure that they stop at the same point. So you see me, marking that with my hand just to make sure that they're even. Like, you want it to be even on both sides because you want to look like it's something that you bought in the store. You don't want it to be, all messy. So once I realize that I like that and it's even, I just cut it off, and that's pretty much it. I'm just adding some glue to the ends of it so it doesn't lift up or anything like that. And y'all, the fringe is done. Like, this is the easiest DIY you could even do. Like, a few minutes and that's it. Don't laugh at my pants and my hole in my pants. Don't do that. These are my throw-on pants now. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can see the jeans on me right now. They look totally adorable. I love the way that they look. I'll even throw in some pictures right here so you can see, I took some mirror pics and stuff like that. I didn't get to take any full body pics or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.